All right, so we are back on the Grom. About to take another little ride. Got them new gloves. You know what I mean? Got to get the rest of the gear together. So the Grom is still stock for now. Going to do some mods pretty soon to it, but as for now, it's still running stock. Just trying to get more of a feel for it. Might have a guest appearance from a Willie or not. Who knows if I pop one? But I'm gonna try to see what I can do, and go from there. All right, so we out here. It's probably a little hard to hear. I don't know where I'm going today, but we going somewhere. I'm just gonna drive. As you can see, I'm a professional now. Sit down shift, I know, but like I was saying, we out on the Grom. I got I'm a lot better from the first time we made this video. Look to the side. Merge onto what looks like a kind of like a highway. We gotta get a Grom everything it got right now so we can keep up. Oh, that dude moving slow. We can keep up with him. This is a little bit hard. Damn it. Well, I thought it was recording, but we at Best Buy. We missed some of the highway ride, but we're gonna get more of the highway ride on the way back. We want to see if there's something that we could put on the handlebars, which I know they make it, but I don't know if Best Buy sells it. This is like the best Best Buy that I know that always got everything. So we gonna try see if it's something so I can put the phone here, so I don't gotta keep going off GPS directions in my head because I got a headphone on right now. And then we gonna try to see if there's a GoPro mount for the helmet. Yeah, so Best Buy didn't have what I needed at all. Neither one of the things I was looking for. I don't think none of these other stores that I'm at is gonna have it either. So I'm just gonna call on that. I'm gonna show you the ride back because I'm gonna show y'all that the Grom can get up to like kind of like highway speeds, and it can keep up with traffic. Because I just came here and I just did that. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick for all the Willie attempt.
Cause some came in the mail today. These nuts. Ah!
One more time. Hold that up.
Got him!
Yeah, it's hard doing Willies on the Grom. What the hell?
Got him!
gas. So you think you could a couple cents, like 50 cents in there or something? I'm just trying to get under $50 to Holland.
Say it again?
I'm trying to get to Holland down in like Richard Newtown, and he's running out of gas. Do you think like $1 50 cents I can throw in the tank?
You said $1?
Yeah, so anything. embarrassed. Thank you so much.
Where's she at? I'll see my girl got. She right there. I'll give her. Give me a second.
Thank you so much.
Run over here real quick. Yeah, run over here real quick.
When you're on the go, you can get your Wawa order.
$2. Fill this down up. $2. Can't beat that. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Let's get out of here. That's that passing power right there. God, I am tired, man. It's getting dark out here. Well, y'all see me trying to hit my wheelie and all that. Seeing that the Grom can get up to okay, pretty okay speeds, highway speeds. So yeah, next video will just be wheelie practice. We're gonna practice wheelies on the Grom and see how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Mustang content coming back as well. Browse for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.